I'm grateful to the doctors who are not disclosing it to the media for gaining attention to themselves. See, so many of the other workers should take example of these doctors. Some of them have not gotten paid for the last 3 months also. There is again a problem with the system. There was a model code and the model code disallowed transactions to happen, and in the long run, the doctors didn't get paid. I'm told here as well, there are certain people who are workers who are texting me, and I'm feeling ashamed that this is happening. And we're working on it. There's the harm in admitting that this is not fair. And I have told Honorable Chief Minister of this problem. I have praised him of this problem, and he is also very disturbed. So we need to find a way out of this burden of pending salaries of workers across the board. This is something which is, I don't know why happening, but it seems to be happening.
Even doctors?
Doctors, nurses, personnel, from ward personnel to technicians of various kinds. This is happening,
but
and it's very unfortunate.
They are government employees, they are supposed to get.
See, most of them fall under the contractual category. So a contractual pay is usually delayed for various factors. It's not just one factor. Whatever it is, having seen that they are required in the system, contractual workers should have, a hassle-free service, especially in the healthcare, in schools. It's very sad. The Home Guard, these are all categories of contractual workers who have brought into the system to stopgap for the lack of workers. So these are not full-fledged government servants, but nevertheless, I mean, why should they be put through this torture? I think this is an unnecessary strain on the system, and I've requested my officer to find out. Fortunately, it was brought to my attention. So till 2025 March, a bulk support has been given to pay the contractual staff, at least in my departments, in the health department. But this is something which needs to be attended. It is torturous for the workers because they also have families to run, and it is a defect in the system for long. It's not as if it is just happening today in our government. This is something that we have inherited from the past, but we need to come up front and sort it out.
Okay, lastly, a political question.